Hello everyone, this is Janice and welcome to my channel. In this video, I will be showing you how to make a cucumber salad. It is a great recipe to make during the summer. You just need a few ingredients to make this delicious cucumber salad. For some recipes, you don't have to peel the cucumber, but this one you do. The ingredients you need in order to make this cucumber salad are 2 cucumbers sliced and peeled, cherry tomatoes sliced. I got these tomatoes from my garden, but if you don't have a garden, you can use any kind of tomatoes from the store. 2 teaspoons of white vinegar, 1 teaspoon of sugar, and sliced onion. It's best to use the red onion for this recipe. Normally I use the red onion, but I don't have any on hand. For the vinegar and the sugar, you would have to adjust those 2 ingredients because some people, they don't like vinegar. Some people like a little bit more vinegar in their salad. And as well as for the sugar. Some people like it very sweet and others don't. For the first step, as I already washed the cucumber and I peeled the cucumber as well. Second, you will slice the cucumber semi-thin, not too thin, not too thick, just in between. You're going to slice all the cucumber so you have all the slices. And when I make my cucumber salad, I always like to peel my cucumber because I know a lot of people, they might not like to have it peeled, but for me, it tastes better. Okay, now I have my cucumber all sliced, and I will put it into my bowl. The next ingredient will be the cherry tomatoes. Then I will add sliced onion. And like I said, you can put as much onion as you want. The next step would be the sugar, which is 1 teaspoon of sugar and 2 teaspoons of white vinegar. Now that you have all your ingredients in your bowl, you will get your spoon and you mix all the ingredients together until all the ingredients are mixed in well. And once they're all mixed, then it'll be ready to serve. And let me try one little piece here. Let's see how it tastes. This is a really good salad. Well, I know you are going to enjoy this salad, and I will be back in a few days to give you a good fresh French toast recipe. Please leave a comment and please subscribe to my channel. Thank you. Bye.